Hey, good evening. How you all doing? Happy New Year, everyone. January 2nd, 2021. Ready to kick things off to a whole new start. My name is Lonnie Williams. I'm the founder of 5minutetrades.com, and this is our YouTube channel. So, it's your first time checking us out. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. So, the purpose of this channel and 5minutestrades.com in general is to help retail traders learn how to trade better. So we all retail traders, myself included. So, and we all have various levels where we started from. So I want to be able to kind of help shorten the learning curve for new traders and experienced traders who have been having some bad luck in the market. So let's go ahead and get started. So today's topic of the video is market structure. Market structure. I want to review with you a trade that I took Friday, and just want to show you how it went and why I got into it and what was I looking for when prior to getting into the trade. So without further ado, let's get started now. Okay, so check this out. So we're looking at the euro versus the dollar. This is Forex, obviously. We're on a 15-minute time frame. And right now, you can see that the market is not moving. It's because Saturday, where I am right now, Saturday evening. And of course, we know the market is closed until tomorrow afternoon. So I like to look at the markets the most when it's closed on the weekend because it gives me more time to, plan my trades out, things of that nature. It kind of removes all of the noise. Speaking of removing all the noise, you notice I have a clean chart here. Don't use any indicators. Have a couple of tools like this right here, this SFL session opens. That's just let me know which candle opened which session. So for example, Tokyo started on this candle, New York, London. And this is another cool tool that I like to use. It's called MTPC. It kind of just kind of highlight the different times zones. So let's talk about market structure in this trade and how I was able to, why I got into this trade and how I was able to send it to members of our trading service at 5minutestrade.com and how they made money with it as well, those who got in with me. So first thing I want to notice that we have some consolidation here. So this blue line here, this dash blue line, that's just a session break. That means 5 o'clock. So after 5, we have Tokyo session starts at 7. So I'm just gonna put this here like that. Always extend it out, further, because I expected to consolidate a while to at least get to the London session. Now, one thing that's unique about the way that I particularly like to trade, ladies, I like to use line charts. So I know a lot of people are familiar with the candlesticks. The candlesticks here, it's even in our logo. But I really like the candle charts, the line charts, because it makes it easier, at least for me, to see the market structure. So let's focus on that. All right, so we see we have the euro dollar. It was trending up here, and then as we can expect, after 5 o'clock during the Tokyo session, it started ranging. Notice here that we have a high, and then we have a lower high. Fast forward a little bit here. Now it's the London session. Now that's when things normally kind of pick up. During the London session, you probably often heard of the London breakout. So Let's continue here. Got a breakout here on the pair, and this is like around 4:45 in the morning. I assure you, I was not up during that time. Let's continue. Notice it's continuing to trend downwards. Market going by market structure. We have a high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So that tells us that this pair, which has been very bullish, is starting to turn bearish. So 5minutestrades.com, we always focus on market structure. So the market will tell us which way to go. And so let's follow the market. Okay, now here, this is when I woke up around 8 o'clock. So now we see that we have this significant low here, and we have this significant high. So this is when I started looking at I started looking at this pair last night when I drew my lines out, my rectangular box. But when I woke up the following day, it was like around 7:50, 8 o'clock, just say 8 o'clock, when I looked at the trade again. So this is where I looked at it at. So first thing I noticed is that, once again, we're talking about market structure, that it's starting to trend downwards because we're getting lower highs, we're getting lower highs, higher lows, and lower lows. So lower highs and lower lows. So the first thing I want to look for a particular entry. So what I like to do is go to my Fibonacci tool, and I have it saved here. But also, if you're on TradingView, if you don't have it, for quick access, you can find it here in this first section here. So I have it here already. So plot my line here. And then here. All right, let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, so now this is where I did, and I sent out the alert to my trading group. This is our Discord trading group. These are some of our members here, and you can see that where is it? Right here. Okay, so this is when I sent it out. This is how our alerts are broadcast, and via push notifications for those who have set up via their phone. Give the direction, the entry price, the stop, and the target. So back here to our chart on TradingView. So we notice that it's right in the area of the 50% fib level, which is a key level for pullbacks. So I set up my entry. So let me show you where I have my entry at. Go to there we are, object tree. All right, so had an entry here, and also let's see here. Okay, so let me show you this here. back out the way. Don't forget to check out 5minutetrades.com. All right, so let's clear up some of this. So we don't need this box anymore because it already broke out of the box, out of the range. Timing is very important when you're trading Forex. Keep that in mind. You don't want to, you're not going to get many breakout during the Asian session. Asian session equals consolidation for the most part, especially on USD pairs. You may have a breakout, trading the Australian dollar versus the yen. But, for USD pairs, which is the ones I typically trade the most, you can expect not to expect much during the Tokyo session. Okay, so we had this key level here on the fib, and so I'm going to show this part on the candles here because you see here the price went right here. Let's continue our bar replay. This is where I got in at. As you can see, this is why I have my my entry arrow here. It's red because of the sell trade. It went like 1 pip over my entry price, and then let's see what happened. Now keep in mind, I sent out the alert prior to this happening because I saw this when I woke up in the morning and saw that the higher low. Now I know it's doing this all without any indicators. I had a big smile on my face when this happened. It broke this low. Very strong bearish sentiment. Now, my original target for this trade was 100 pips. Of course, from the entry of 1.2287 all the way down to 1.21871, 100 pips. But I got out at about 50 something pips. I believe I got out at the low of this candle here. But let's continue. So this is where we are. So basically, more likely is my original take profit is going to get hit, which means I could have had almost twice as many pips. The reason why I got out early was because it was Friday, and I just wanted to had a good week, wanted to lock up the profits. So that was about it. Of course, I could have moved my stop loss from here to here, but I just wanted to, it was the last trade of the year. I just wanted to, be out of the market completely. So that's that trade there. So let's review. Found this trade by looking at market structure. Market structure, we have 3 things can happen in the market. It can either be bullish, bearish, or ranging, where it's just going between 2 fixed price points. So we want to trade with the market structure, because by trading with the market structure, we increase our probability of finding winning trades. And remember, trading is all just about probability. So we want to arm ourselves with the most chances, highest probability chance of finding good trades. And like I said, I didn't need any indicators for this. There's no moving averages or anything like that on this chart. Just looking at the market structure. It's making lower highs, lower low, telling me that it's turning bearish. Look for a pullback. Found a pullback at the key level of 50-period moving average, and just went down from there. So this is the way that I trade. This is the way that I teach. Like I said, keep in mind though that I trade using the line charts. So like I find it easier to trade like this, but most of our members, use the candlesticks. So which is fine. It's easy to follow. Just myself personally, I like using the line charts. But what I want to tell you that is that if you've been trading, if you're new to trading or you've been trading for a while and you haven't found any success and you try going to gurus, quote unquote gurus that want to charge, like $1,000 a year to show you something that, really didn't help you, making things super complicated. We do things totally different at 5minutetrades.com. Speaking of 5minutetrades.com, let me show you our website. This is our website. Once again, it's called 5minutetrades.com. If you want to become a member, you just click here. Of course, want to learn how to be a profitable Forex trader. That's me. My name is Lonnie Williams. I am a real person, and that's my beautiful wife. This is about our trading service. A true passion for teaching price action trading. That's what we teach, price action trading. And we have a lot of new people in our group who have no trading experience, and we help them find the tools that they need in order to trade successful. And we show them and give them those tools by having one-on-one live trading instruction, by giving them access to our exclusive Discord group, of course, by having buy and sell signals. So even while you're learning how to trade, you can still make money just by copying our trades and making money as we do. As a member, you get access to our webinars. Most of all, you learn how to trade the right way. When I say right way, I mean regarding market structure, regarding money management, regarding how to grow a small account, and you get support. That's one thing that my favorite thing that I love about our service is the great support that we have. Customer support. We have phone, text, and email support. All of our members have my personal cell phone number. They text me or call me if they have a question. And as a matter of fact, if you have a question, I want you to feel free to contact us. All you gotta do is click on this Contact Us Today link. Send me an email that way. But as I like to say, there's no time like the present. If you're ready to become a member after checking out our website, we'd love to have you. Start immediately helping you learn how to trade. And we have a great community. And it's 2021, and I want to help as many people as I can this year learn how to trade Forex successfully. It can be done. It will be done if you believe. And I definitely do. Thank you for taking the time to watch my short video here. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Lonnie Williams. I'm with 5minutetrades.com. Thank you again. Take care and God bless.